That's just us. Just by any chance, is this anybody's first time coming to see us play? I'd just like to say thank you and welcome, and thanks for inviting us. Has anybody ever seen us before? Is that home team advantage? Is that what that is? Well, if you've been here a long time, should we play an old one, like for the first record? I recorded this song about 20 minutes from here. Let's see if we can sing it loud. Sleep with all the lights on. You're not so happy. You're not secure. You've been tired of cute blue jeans, but you're present just like everyone. Just like everyone. And that face you paint is pressed, impressing most of us. It's permanent. I'd like to see you undone. College night, draw the crowds, and Tom's unloading, you're heading out. Here is your moment to shine. That's my niece out there. History, it's nothing from the life you lead. Man, will they file your life? Sleep with all the sheets off, bearing your mattress, bearing your soul. Time to smooth my tattoos, head searching just like